there's no smoke without reason. It's a sign of something wrong in my lungs. There's a poison I've been breathing in too long. Cause there's no I in we. And there's no you in me. Cause I've been burned way beyond the third degree. Cause your words are like gasoline you pour on the fire. And the bridges you burn led to our dreams.